Hello friends, welcome to Analyzing Channel where you get information about new updates. Today we are talking about Ouija board, the reality of Ouija board, whether it is a reality or a spirit board or talking board. Let's talk about that. The Ouija, also known as a spirit board or talking board, is a flat board marked with the letter of the alphabet and the numbers 0 to 9, the words yes, no, hello, and goodbye, along with various symbols and graphics. It used as a small heart-shaped piece of wood or plastic as a movable indicator to spell out messages during a scene. Participants place their fingers on the planchette and it is moved about the board to spell out words. Ouija is a trademark of Hasbro but is often used generically to refer to any talking board. So whether it is a reality, we can't expel that out. How Ouija boards work. It didn't ghost. No demons will not possess you if you use one. It's that time of year again, the season when paranormal entities come out to play, but you are thinking about grabbing a Ouija board for your next conversation with the other side. You might want to think again. Ouija board rely on the power of your own body. The emphasis is not the ghost. If you are never used a Ouija board, the concept is pretty straightforward. With a group or by yourself, you place your hands lightly on a triangular pointer called a planchette. The planchette rests on the board itself, which has the words yes and no. You can already I explained that. The idea is to summon the spirit you want to communicate with. They will move the planchette around the board to spell out the answer to the question you ask. It all sounds pretty harmless, but there is a long tradition of people believing that Ouija boards are dangerous occult gateways that can lead to demon possession or worse. The ideometer effect is an example of unconscious, involuntary physical movement. That is, we move when we are not trying to move. If you have ever experienced the sudden feeling of jerking awake from sleep, knowing as a hypnic jerk, you have experienced a more abrupt version of the ideometer effect. Your brain signaling your body to move without your conscientious awareness. The obvious difference is that the ideometer effect happens when you are awake, so the reflexive movements you make are much smaller. In the case of Ouija board, your brain may unconsciously create images and memories when you ask the board questions. Your body responds to your brain without your consciously telling it to do so, causing the muscles in your hands and arms to move the pointer to answer that you again unconsciously may want to receive. There are multiple scientific studies that have shown various instances of the ideometer effect in action. In one well-known, the oft-repeated variant of the Ouija board test, blindfolded participants spell much more incoherent messages. You can try this one at home. The ideometer effect is actually a powerful subconscious tool. This is where the Ouija board triangular pointer comes in. Planchette makes it easier to unsubconsciously control your muscle movement because it focuses and directs them even while you believe you aren't in control of them. It is also why the planchette seems to move even more effectively when multiple people are using the planchette at once. It frees everyone's mind to subconsciously generate creepy Ouija board answers together. If you want to more about Ouija board, you can subscribe our channel Analyzing. So for this I can only give you a simple information about Ouija board, how it is work. I give only hint. If you want to more about that, you can comment below and I will also make another part of that. It seems interesting if you think that, but it not for ghost allowing them. For that, thank you very much.